how to hide and unhide songs on Spotify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you guys can quickly unhide and hide songs on Spotify. So guys, this method is only going to take a few minutes, so please watch till the very end. So I'm going to open up Spotify on my phone, and then as soon as I have Spotify opened up, now from over here, simply click on your library and go to any one of your playlists. And then after that, you guys are going to see all of your songs. So simply press and hold on any one of your songs. So now from over here, simply click on these three icons at the far right against your favorite song. Now once you guys are going to click on that, then you guys are going to see the option to hide this song. Once you guys click on that, this particular song is going to be hidden, and now whenever you play this particular playlist, this song is not going to play because this song is going to be hidden away. So guys, this is how easy it is to simply hide songs on Spotify. Now if you guys want to simply unhide this particular song, click on those three icons again, and now click on hidden, and then this particular song is going to be unhidden. So guys, this is how you guys can quickly hide and unhide songs on Spotify. And guys, also if you guys need any more videos on Spotify, if you guys still have any confusions, make sure to comment down below and just let me know if you guys would like any more videos on Spotify about anything that you guys might have a question about. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care till next time. Goodbye.